Hi everyone! We are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. Our mission is to empower people by helping them build confidence with technology and boost digital skills. What makes us unique? A portion of our profits goes directly into offering free IT classes and community events, connecting people and making digital skills accessible to everyone. Thanks for joining us today and enjoy this video. Why are regular updates and security patches essential? With regular updates and security patches, you get improved features and, most importantly, protection against the threats. The benefits: improved security. Security patches fix flaws that hackers could exploit. They protect your data and keep your device safe. Enhanced performance. Updates improve speed and stability. This makes your device run smoother and use resources better. Access to new features. Updates add new tools or features. These can make tasks easier and add convenience. For Windows: settings, update and security, Windows Update, advanced options, and last of all, automatic updates. Here are some quick tips. Windows can automatically update outside of active hours. Setting active hours ensures updates happen outside work time, preventing interruptions during important tasks. This keeps your device secure without impacting productivity. For a Mac OS system, you first go to System Preferences, Software Update, and then automatically Keep My Mac Up to Date section. Quick tip: you can choose specific types of updates like security patches, app updates, or feature enhancement to install automatically. This allows you to prioritize essential updates while managing data and device performance. For Android smartphones, start off with settings, then go to system, then software update, and last of all, enable auto download over Wi-Fi. For iOS smartphones, go to settings, then general, then software update, and automatic updates. Here's a tip for smartphones: use Wi-Fi when possible. Why? Updates can be large and use a lot of mobile data, causing extra charges or slower speeds. Using Wi-Fi avoids these issues and ensures quicker downloads. For Windows, first go to settings, then update and security, Windows Update, and then check for updates. For Mac OS systems, System Preference, then Software Update, and then check Now. For Android, 4 steps: settings, then system, then software update, and then check for updates. For iOS, it is the same thing as Android except that step 2 is general, not systems. So, settings, general, software update, and then check for updates. Some updates are critical and may need immediate attention, even if automatic updates are enabled. Also, some updates may not install automatically if the device has been offline. So, set a reminder for monthly manual checks if needed. Importance of app updates. App updates are essential for keeping your software secure, stable, and optimized. They fix bugs, close security gaps, and improve performance, ensuring your app runs smoothly and stay compatible. Updates also add new features, enhancing functionality and user experience. By updating regularly, you protect your data, get the best performance, and enjoy the latest features for a safer, more efficient experience. For iOS smartphones, go to the App Store, click on My Account icon, and then Update All. For Android smartphones, go to the Play Store, click on your account icon, and then Update All. Here are some common issues. Storage space. Low storage can prevent updates from downloading or installing, so it's essential to clear out unused files to free up space. Battery levels. Updating requires power, so make sure your device is charged or plugged in to avoid interruptions during the update process. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is needed to download updates smoothly and quickly, preventing failed or incomplete installations. Here are some quick fixes. Restarting the device. A simple restart can resolve many update issues by refreshing system processes and clearing temporary glitches. Clearing cache, especially on Android. Clearing the app or system cache can free up storage and remove corrupted files that might block updates. And using official support resources. If problems continue, check the official support site or help center for your device as they provide reliable solutions and troubleshooting steps.